Ever felt like you're talking in circles when trying to explain a spiff? Like you're throwing darts in the dark, hoping something sticks? You're not alone. Spiffs, these little performance incentives, can be a powerful tool, but only when communicated effectively. Let's change that. Picture this: you've got a shiny new spiff ready to roll out. It's designed to boost sales, increase customer satisfaction, or maybe even improve employee morale. But how do you ensure it doesn't fizzle out before it even starts? The secret lies in communication. First off, what exactly is a spiff? Let's clear the air. A spiff isn't just a bonus, it's a strategic tool to drive specific behaviors. It's that extra push your team needs to go the extra mile. But if your team doesn't understand the why, how, or what's in it for them, it's just another number. So, how do you transform a spiff from a mere incentive into a motivational powerhouse? It starts with clarity. Be crystal clear about the goals of the spiff. What are you trying to achieve? Increase sales of a particular product? Improve customer satisfaction scores? Boost upsells? Whatever it is, spell it out. Next, make the rules simple. No one likes wading through a swamp of complicated terms and conditions. Keep it concise. What actions qualify for the spiff? What's the reward? When will it be paid out? The simpler, the better. But clarity alone isn't enough. You need to make the spiff desirable. The reward should be something your team actually wants. Cash is always a classic, but consider other options. Extra vacation days, gift cards, or even public recognition can be just as motivating. Now, let's talk about communication channels. Don't just blast out an email and call it a day. Use a variety of channels to reach your team. Email is great for details, but a quick video or team meeting can add a personal touch. And don't forget about visual aids. A well-designed infographic can make complex information easy to digest. Consistency is key. Don't just communicate the spiff at the beginning. Keep your team updated on their progress. Celebrate milestones. A little public recognition can go a long way in boosting morale. But what if things aren't going as planned? Don't be afraid to adjust. Maybe the spiff isn't motivating as expected. Or perhaps the goals are unrealistic. Be flexible and willing to make changes. And finally, measure, measure, measure. Track the performance of your spiff. Is it driving the desired behavior? Is it achieving its goals? Use the data to refine your strategy. Remember, a spiff is a tool, not a magic wand. It's how you wield that tool that determines its effectiveness. By following these steps, you can turn your spiff into a powerful motivator that drives results. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.